What's up, guys? This is Stormy. I am back with another video. This is the series of soloing. So if you don't know your modes at all, go back to the beginning of this series to learn how to play in your first mode. But right now, you should have already learned mode 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to connect those 3 modes. All right, let's just do a check. So mode 1 is where in the G major scale? Can you tell me that? Right here. You are correct. Now, we're going to do mode 1. So play with me, and if you can keep up, that is wonderful. Make sure you keep your hands here. Also, remember the big stretches, and remember the finger ring pattern and the index ring pattern as well. So, mode 1 is 2 big stretches. Then you're going to go to the 2 index finger patterns. And then move down 1 into the ring finger pattern. And then we're going to go back up. That was mode 1. Now mode 2, either you can use it, you can memorize it by the numbers or the patterns, because remember I said 3 and 4 Siamese twins, and 7 and 1 is also Siamese twins. They're always connected together. So if you're starting on mode 1 in a G major scale, then mode 2 is going to start on number 2. So it's 2, 3, 4, which is Siamese twins, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 1 is together, 7 and 1. And 3 and 4, 3, 4. Or you're just gonna go by the patterns. So, and then you're gonna go to pattern 3, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have the 3 big stretches. So in my head, I usually memorize the first numbers of the strings of the modes, the first string, and then after that I just go by big stretches and the ring finger pattern and then the 2 finger pattern. That's how I do it, but you can do it however you feel like you can remember it easier. So hopefully I'm not confusing you right now. But anyway, you should already know how to connect modes 1 and 2. So here are all 3 modes together. You can go by the chart to connect them, or you can just go by your memorization to connect them together. So modes 1 and 2 is, actually you can do them all 3. So this is mode 1, that's mode 2, and that's mode 3. But as you see, they all mesh together because mode 1 has 2 and 3, some of 2 and 3 notes in it. So this is 1, 2, 3. That's the first notes of the mode 1. And 2 and 3 is already in there. And that's some of mode 2 and 3 as well. Because as you see, mode 2 starts on this string. Mode 3 starts here on this string. Alright. Now, let's connect. Now you're in mode 3. So we're going to go down. And go back to mode 2. Back to mode 1. So this is mode 2. The bottom strings, you already know that it's this. So pay attention to these two fingers right here. You can just slide on into mode 3. I'm sorry, slide on into mode 2. This is mode 1. Slide into mode 2's here. And then this pinky finger just slide on into mode 3. And there you are in mode 3. So, and then mode 3 is still here, and then you can slide into mode 2. A major. So now this is mode 1. You're going to slide into mode 2. You slide down to mode 3. Same thing in every mode. Nothing changes. Even if when you not every mode, every major key, nothing changes in any major key. It's always the same modes and it's always the same shapes. If you have any questions about anything, are you confused about anything, leave them below and I will definitely answer your questions. But go by the chord chart to see how the notes mesh together in each mode. And you will see how to connect all modes together. Okay, at this time I'm going to demonstrate a few keys, but in the middle of me demonstrating, I'm going to stop and let you play and practice for a little bit on the same track. So are you ready? So get ready. We're going to start in the key of C major. beautiful, right? If not, just rewind it and play again. Keep practicing, you'll get it, I promise. But I'm sure you sound like a pro. So we're gonna go to the next key. All right, this is a different one. We're gonna play an F major. Your turn. Put some slides and hammer-ons in it if you can. Alright, that is it for our practice sessions. If you're not finished practicing yet, go ahead and find you a backing track that you love to jam to and jam out. Because I don't want to make this video too long, but in the next video, I will be going over pattern number 4. So get ready. Well, that is it for my demonstration. Hopefully you have already practiced or you are going to practice on your backing tracks. Your homework for today is to go and practice in all of the keys in modes 1, 2, and 3 and connect them and make it sound wonderful. I'll see you in the next video where we're going to learn mode 4. See you on the other side. Bye for now.